The remote preconditioning function allows you to program the temperature inside your Peugeot so that it reaches a predefined temperature of around 21 degrees before you get into your car. To program this function, select the AirCon application and then choose the Preconditioning tab. Then, press on Add to add a program. Set the time on which you will be getting into your Peugeot and which days, then confirm. You can define several programs. Each one will be recorded in the system. Press here to activate the desired program. To delete a program, press on this button, then this button, and then confirm. Preconditioning will start around 45 minutes before the programmed time when your Peugeot is charging, or 20 minutes before if your vehicle is not charging. It will continue for 10 minutes. In order to maintain your vehicle's charge level, it is best if you launch preconditioning whilst the vehicle is charging. If your vehicle is equipped with connected services, you can program its preconditioning via the MyPeugeot app on your smartphone.